Hello everyone, my name is Jean-Gabriel Paquet and I want to welcome you to this course because you took a great decision in trying to learn more on this topic, but you might be wondering what you will learn from this course. First off, you will learn a lot of techniques, you will learn strategies, you will learn how-tos, you will find step-by-step formulas on how to reach certain things, and you will see me ranting from here and there. But if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, or maybe you're looking to know more about certain topics, well, you can always drop a question inside this course and I will make sure to answer you as soon as possible and give you more details on the topics that you're trying to learn, right? If you want to request more lessons about a certain topic, you can always let me know. You can drop either a question or you can always send me a message if you're trying to know more about a certain topic, or maybe you're just requesting some more lessons on a particular topic. But if that's the case, just know that I am one message away. I am one question away. So please do not hesitate and let me know how I can help you in giving you more knowledge and giving you more of the experience that I have in particular fields. So I'm just super glad that you're here because now you and I are about to learn a lot on a particular topics. All right, so see you inside this course, see you in the first lesson, but otherwise have a great time, have a great week, enjoy.